Ahmed, can you tell me a little bit about your business and then also about the role that you have in your business and how this trip has been beneficial for you?
I work for Mars Incorporated, which is a leading food manufacturer in the world, and I am responsible for the general management of the GCC unit, which stands for the Gulf Cooperation Council, and we look after 7 countries in the Persian Gulf as well as Yemen. And we have a manufacturing facility in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. In our unit, we have started focusing on lean practices and on the Toyota production system almost over 6 years ago. And 2 years ago, I was tasked by our regional president to sponsor the accelerated deployment of lean practices throughout the Middle East, Africa, and Indian subcontinent region. And I've done quite a bit of reading as well as attended workshop and training, but nevertheless over the last week I have learned tremendously and got massive value from seeing firsthand how these practices are put into place and woven into the DNA of the enterprise, and also in particular the role of leadership in building an environment where these practices can flourish and become congruent with the enterprise goals. Also, I think of extreme value to me this week is having the team here and on the same trip. So we've had 3 other members of the management team of the unit, as well as many other leaders at different levels of the organization. And being here together, experiencing what we have seen and guiding the team in its own discussions about how can we implement some of these practices in a better way in our own unit back home, and maximize the value that we get out of the trip. So I certainly recommend this for intact senior leadership teams to experience this way of running the business together, and then reflect on how can you start in your own enterprise and how can you deepen these practices over time and accelerate the realization of the benefit.
Perfect. Thank you very much.